Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the Motif Medical Breastmilk Storage Bags, the best choice for any busy breastfeeding mom looking to store milk with ease and confidence. These bags stand out for their reliable, leak-proof design and the added convenience of an easy pour spout. If you're a nursing mom who needs a hassle-free way to store breast milk, then stick around as we explore all the reasons why these bags should be your go-to choice. First, let's talk about the design. The Motif Medical Milk Storage Bags are made with a double zipper lock, ensuring no leaks, no spills, and no mess, making them ideal for both freezing and refrigerating your milk. One of the best features is the write-on label, which allows you to mark the date and time of expression. This simple but thoughtful touch helps you keep track of your milk, ensuring you always know exactly when it was pumped. These bags hold 6 ounces of milk, which is a perfect size for most feedings, whether you're pumping and storing for a future session or simply need some extra space in the fridge. With 100 bags in a pack, you'll have plenty to go around, and the bags are designed to lay flat in the freezer, saving you valuable space. And when you need them, they can stand on their own in the refrigerator, so you don't have to worry about them tipping over and spilling. Another impressive feature is the temperature sensing technology, which helps you know when your milk is at a safe temperature for feeding. These bags are BPA-free, making them a safe and healthy choice for you and your baby. Plus, the durable material can handle both freezer and refrigerator storage, so you never have to worry about your milk being compromised. The Motif Medical Breastmilk Storage Bags are also incredibly easy to use. Simply tear off the top, write the date and time, fill the bag with the amount of milk you need, seal it, and freeze. When you're ready to thaw, place it in the fridge or run warm tap water over the bag, and you're good to go. This simplicity and convenience is what makes these bags so popular among new moms. The 2-year warranty on the main pump and a 90-day warranty on the components give you peace of mind that you're investing in a reliable product. Whether you're at home or on the go, these storage bags are designed with the pumping mom in mind. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use, and space-saving solution for storing breast milk, the Motif Medical Breastmilk Storage Bags are the best option. They're secure, convenient, and made with the needs of breastfeeding mothers in mind. If you're ready to take the stress out of milk storage and ensure that your breast milk stays safe, then give these bags a try. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there.